Today's project is a Cobra mod, one I call 7.0. I don't know what other name it. I know it's other people's done it, but I've always called it 7.0. Anyway, we got a 2-strand core consisting of one strand at 15 inches long or 38.1 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, connected to form the core. We're using 2 colors. They are melted together. The yellow is 41 inches, 104.14 centimeters. The red is 36 inches, 91.44 centimeters. You're going to need these scissors, lighter, presser, but let's do it. Now, coming in through the side of the cow hitch, now from the right side, come up through there and down through the loop. On the left side, same thing, up to the slot and down through the loop. Now I'm using a fit on the yellow side only because it makes it easier to go down. Okay, very, very, very simple. Right side down in between 1 and 2, and left side red goes over the yellow, underneath, up through the loop on the right, and tighten. Then, yeah, from the left side down in between 1 and 2, the red goes over the yellow, underneath, up through the loop on the left side. Tighten, rinse and repeat until you're done.
Colors all around us, strings in hand we play, laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade. Twisting loops together, making something new, bright and woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song, crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Patterns like a rainbow, knots that never fray, stringing up the good times, that's our everyday. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song, crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Holding tight to memories, made with strings and laughter, endless fun with colors bright, bracelets ever after. colors all around us, strings in hand we play. Laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade. Twisting loops together, making something new. Brighter woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party.